my name is Anastasia Rose, and this is my tutorial on 3 braided updo hairstyles for super duper long hair. I really like braiding my hair for updos. It prevents damage to long hair, it keeps your hair out of your face, and it just is really fun to do. So if you like this video and you want to see more in the future, make sure to like it and subscribe to see future content. So this first hairstyle is pretty simple. It's just a braided bun, and you're going to want to start with a high ponytail and just braid your hair with whatever braid of your choosing. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid. And a little tip, on days like today where my hair is super frizzy, I like to use Opalex number 6 Bond Smoother. It just kind of gets rid of the frizz a little bit. Makes it a little easier to manage. Okay, so once you've fully braided your hair, you're going to want to wrap around the base of your hair. You're going to want to keep the top part of the base pretty loose. And the rest of it can go a little tighter. And you want to keep it loose because that base can go around the rest of the hair and make it look pretty even and more consistent throughout the bun, and then just secure with bobby pins. And you're done. And for the second hairstyle, you're going to want to start with a pretty low braid. The traditional way to do crown braids is to kind of start from the base and braid around, but it's really hard to do with really long hair, so I kind of start with a low braid, and then I just wrap it around my head like this, and then just secure with bobby pins. And this is the end result. It's a lot easier than traditional crown braids, it saves a lot of time, and it's still just as cute. Okay, and for this final hairstyle, it's very anime inspired. You're going to want to start with 2 pigtails pretty high on your head. Make sure that they're as even as possible. And you're going to braid one side, but you're only going to braid it about halfway down. Okay, and once you're done braiding about halfway down, you're going to take one of the strands and wrap it around. And then you're just going to secure that with bobby pins. And then do the same to the other side. And how many times you wrap your hair around the base it really depends on how long your hair is. Okay, and this is the finished product. It's very Sailor Moon. Okay, that is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked these hairstyles, please leave a like so I know what kind of content to make in the future. I'll be making pretty similar content in the future, so be sure to subscribe as well and stay tuned for future content. Thank you, bye!